Hi, I'm Cheryl Pocock, and I'm with Realty One Group, and I wanted to give you an update on what's happening in the Arizona real estate in regards to the coronavirus. Right now, our supply is still really low. It's 52% below normal. Buyer demand is also diminished. We're 1% normal there. We're not expecting price values to drop. We went from a really very strong seller's market to now we're in a strong seller's market. Since last month, though, active listings going into contract, they've dropped 27%. Uh, some of what's contributed to that is buyers and sellers are practicing social distancing. Sellers are temporarily taking their homes off of the market, and the iBuyers, which are Open Doors, Zillow, and those like companies, that industry is supported by the stock market, and so that is also pulling back and dropping out of transactions and not making any more purchases until that stock market stabilizes a bit. Since 2008, Arizona has become very diversified with its employment base. There's still many people still employed now, and those that have lost their jobs should be able to find jobs in other sectors. On that note, if you or your family are having a problem paying your mortgage or your lease during these months, please look up the Arizona Department of Housing, ADOH. You'll find Save Our Home Arizona, SOHAZ, giving you helps and alternatives. Also, first thing always is contact your lender or landlord and see if you can work out an arrangement. However short term the real estate market here in Arizona is affected by this virus, we foresee that it is actually going to be short term. The effect will be a few months. It will not be a few years. Let me describe to you what we see. The real estate market up until March was like a fast, full force hose and at an unprecedented peak. Very low inventory and high buyer demand. Now, with these stay-at-home precautions in place, the hose has been pinched, and in a few months, when it's released, it's going to blast out. We don't know how strong, but we know that there's pent-up demand. We're hearing reports that companies are expecting their employees back in June, so we expect summer and the fall to be a very, very busy time for real estate here in Arizona. In summary, we're still in a very strong seller's market with low inventory and normal buyer demand. We don't expect to see price reduction in home values. So what this means is that if you put your home up, it's probably not going to sell in a week like it did in February and part of March. It'll take a bit longer. We expect summer and fall to be a very busy time for real estate buying and selling. If you have any questions in what I've mentioned or want further detail, please give me a call. I'm Cheryl Pocock, and we're all in this together. Have a great day.